Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make stir-fry eggplants with garlic sauce. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So for ingredients, we have eggplants over here. We have chopped finely garlic. You're looking about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, chopped fine. And then we have ginger over here, about 5 centimeters of ginger, chopped fine also. We have green onions, water, sugar, sesame oil, cornstarch, vinegar. This is light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, and oyster sauce. For the first step, just steam your eggplant. Steam it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you don't overcook it. So while waiting the eggplant steaming, we're gonna make the sauce. So for the sauce, what we need is 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine, and 2 tablespoons vinegar. Two tablespoons of oyster sauce, four tablespoons of water. Mix them all up. Just mix until the sugar dissolves and the sauce is done. Alright guys, so after about 10 to 15 minutes, you see how it's done. They all became soft. It's not too overcooked. It's still springy, so it's not totally destroyed. So that thing is completely done. So we're gonna take it out and put it on the side. For the cooking process, put oil in a wok, medium-high heat, and let the oil getting hot. When the oil starts to get hot, add ginger, garlic, chili. Just fry them for about a minute or until it became fragrance. So after a minute or so, when it became fragrance, when all the aromas came out, add green onion, stir fry for about 15 seconds. And after 15 seconds, add the sauce. Cook until it's boiling. When it start boiling like this, then you add the eggplants. And now just mix them all up. Just cook it for about a minute or two. After a minute or two, so this is the mixture between cornstarch and water. It's just a thickening agent. So if you want to thicken your sauce, just add a bit by bit. And when the sauce is thickened, it's ready. When it's thickened like this, it's ready. Turn off the heat and transfer it to a plate. When everything is ready, transfer it to a bowl or a plate. Add a little bit chopped green onion for garnishing. And drizzle with sesame oil. And there you go. The eggplant, stir-fry eggplant with garlic sauce is done. So give it a try, enjoy. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.